Oh, love the outfit! Very Elvis, guys! Ooh, that's how you do it! Gusto ko yung mga ganon-ganon niyang step talaga eh. What's up, everyone? It's me, your solitary John Valencian. Welcome back to Chule Asia Diaries, a mega love shoutout mga ka-Jeromantics. Yes, we are back for action video for Jerome Ebardome para sa kanyang solo concert. Ito nga ay ang Echoes of Elvis. Ito ay para sa kanyang opening number ng Burning Love. I'm so excited for this, and of course, congratulations, Jerome, sa iyong solo concert na ito. We are so proud of you. Kaya naman excited tayo dyan. But before we proceed, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is, guys. God, saan to ginanap, guys? Wow, ayun si Jerome.
It is an honor for me to present to you the YouTube's ultimate reaction sensation.
Wow.
Phenomenal star. The flow that's
Phenomenal
the
star.
audience. A truly proud starring in a magnetic icon and recently awarded as Best Male Tribute Artist of Gawad America.
Oh yeah, he is the best new male artist ng Gawad America lang naman, guys. Grabe.
Number 9!
Yes.
Isang palakpakan ng halong liyawan to the one and only Elvis Presley of his generation, none other than Jerome Ebardome!
Hey! Oh my God! Oh, love the outfit! Very Elvis, guys! That sequence jumpsuit. Hey! Wow! Grabe, I love the outfit, guys. This sequin jumpsuit, very iconic. Ooh, that's how you do it. Wow. Grabe, I love it. Energy, it's giving. Saka yung pag ganun talaga ng tuhod. Hey. Wow. I love his outfit, bongga. Grabe, nakakatuwa naman. Jerome is doing his solo concert. Cute, and I love the belt, pang wrestling. Charis. Hey! Yung talagang step ni Jerome, no? Cute! Hey! Grabe ang energy, guys. Hey! Grabe, Elvis na Elvis yun, guys. Ooh, love that. Balikan natin yan. Wow! Grabe! I love it! Hey! Nakakatuwa talaga. Nakaka-proud to see Jerome having his own concert. And the title is Echoes of Elvis. Diba? Hey! Okay, mga ganun-ganun niyang step talaga eh. Wow, give the give. Balikan natin. Wow. Hey! There you have it, guys. That is Burning Love by Jerome Ebardome para sa kanyang opening song sa kanyang Echoes of Elvis solo concert. Oh my God, congratulations, Jerome. I love the energy that outfit is giving Elvis Presley vibes. Diba? The sequined, iconic jumpsuit ng isang Elvis Presley. Grabe. It was embodied by Jerome, and those, yung energy, the way that he's dancing, that hips, that knees, kuhang-kuha talaga, guys. What can you say about that performance? You can comment down below, and syempre, check pa natin iba niyang performance dito sa kanyang solo concert na ito. Kaya naman, that's our reaction for today. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.